How to use points in JetBlue. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can use points in JetBlue. Now, from your favorite destination to your favorite charity, your TrueBlue points can make dreams come true, as it's just as easy to redeem as it is to earn them, and since they never expire, you'll be ready to go when you are. Now, as you know, you can pay for your JetBlue trip with points. Now, how you can pay it? Now, here you can see I'm at the jetblue.com official website. Here you can head into the app, or you can head into the browser on any of your device as well. Simply head into jetblue.com if on your browser, and there you want to log into your account. In my case, I'm not logged in, but I'll just show you what you can do. Now you can see flights plus hotel, flights plus cruise, car stays option. You want to simply select the option that you want, and then you want to select your trip. In my case, you can see I've entered in certain information here, but I've not entered in the written information. And below the written information there, you can see the use TrueBlue points option there. What you want to do is you want to simply tap on it, and you'll be able to use your TrueBlue points. You'll get the search for the offers that you'll be able to use TrueBlue points, and you can simply tap in search flight and you will be able to use your TrueBlue points. So this way you can use points in JetBlue. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.